This is true sea moss gel superfood passion fruit flavor. I was sent this to review. Haven't tasted this one before. Ooh, that's a nice smell. That's like pure fruit smell. I'm not getting any hint of the sea moss, so I'm excited about this one. Okay, so let's go. Ooh, smooth. They just blend these. They make such a great smooth blend. I love it. Okay, let's go. That one's real good. It's tart, not sweet. It's tart, but I'm not getting the sea moss hint. So if you're looking for flavors to avoid any sea moss ocean kind of vibes, this is a good one. But it's tart. 2 tablespoons is a serving, 15 servings per jar, 10 calories, no fat, 70 milligrams of sodium, 2 grams of carbohydrates, no fiber, 1 gram of sugar, no protein. Then you've got some iron, potassium, iodine, and magnesium in there. This one's ingredients are purified water, passion fruit puree. On this one, after water, the next ingredient was sea moss. And on this one, after water, the first ingredient is passion fruit puree. So maybe that is the trick, to find one where the fruit is the second ingredient. And then after that is the wild-crafted sea moss, and then rowan berry extract, monk fruit juice concentrate, and ascorbic acid. I like this one a lot. No heavy metals, certified vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO verified. Yum, passion fruit.